Thank you for your introduction and thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this great topic. I'm happy to be here and share with you some reflections related to how Nissan approaches the human perspective to pave the way for the future of mobility. 2020 will be remembered as a year of disruption and transformation for the auto industry and the world. Even before the COVID-19, our industry was going through a transformation driven by new technology innovations and market shifts. Last May, our company introduced the Nissan Next business transformation plan with a clear purpose of driving innovation to enrich people's lives and bring changes in the way we do business. These are all coinciding with an ongoing shift to new mobility solutions. I want to explain how we see our society and the industry developing as Nissan executes in the most severe industry headwinds in a generation. We always start from the people. It is customer-centric, fully organic framework, and we typically group the drivers of change into four categories. First, urbanization. Second, digital society and technology. Third, fragmentation of society and demographic shift. And fourth, sustainability and regulation. Let's go through each of these drivers to understand what they are about. First is urbanization. There has been a massive change over last decades in human lifestyle. Every week, 1.5 million people are added to the global urban population, leading to tremendous economic growth potential. However, these are significant challenges such as mobility and congestion, more energy needs, infrastructure deficiency, and social homogeneity. The second driver are related to technology, how embedded it is in our lives today, and how fantastic innovation contributed to overall progress of society. We now enjoy huge computing power at our fingertips. Our smartphones all pack superpowers we won't have dreamt of. It comes with the collateral effects too, that makes us also constantly reflect on how to find the best balance. And the third driver is the demographic shift. Total population is set to grow by 2 billion by 2050. Aging is growing into a global phenomenon. We also see a great divide between the generations. Generation Z is coming of age at a particularly disrupted and challenging period, which claims different views and values from the older generations. The last driver is sustainability and regulation. Increasing awareness of the urgency of acting for climate and environment. As a consequence of global warming, make the headlines every day, everywhere, and have become a top concern for customers. Our industry, as a major actor and cause of CO2 emissions, must propose relevant and innovative solutions to be a reliable partner and enabler of people's sustainable mobility. Now, considering these four drivers of change, these are translated into four key customer words. Number one, the search for simplicity in daily life in every interaction. Number two, the search for empowerment. Number three, the search for transparency and authenticity. And number four, the search for a sense of control and meaning. Based on identified future customer needs, those are categorized to save the planet, save the people, and connect people and society. And now the solution comes. we as Nissan, as automotive company, have solutions for the future customer needs. One, electrification. Number two, driver support by autonomous driving. Number three, sharing mobility services. Number four, connected car services. We go through one by one moving forward. First point is electrification. Currently, Nissan has two types of electrified powertrains. One is battery electric vehicle powertrain and second is e-POWER. E-POWER is Nissan unique technology, which only we have in the world. And this is very much recognized and appreciated by the customers. And the most important point is e-POWER is 100% motor drive, which gives a huge advantage with respect to the competitors for acceleration, EV drive feeling, and quietness. Next is Nissan EV evolution. As you know, we have got 100 years of vehicle heritage experience, especially in SUVs, and 10 years of experience as a world EV pioneer. Now, combining these two, we become innovator and leader for the electric vehicle. For example, the first Leaf, which we launched in 2010 as pioneer, this was done as a part of innovation for mobility. The second generation was more focused on giving advanced technologies on top of electrification. And finally, we are out with Ariya, which is much more than EV, to bring a driving excitement, which is as good as our sports car, Fairlady Z. EV has another usage, which is V2X. And EV is part of our life. It's not only a simple mobility. Why it is part of our life? Because it connects to home, it connects to the building, it connects to the grid. It can give the electricity, it can take the electricity, which help environment, but most important, society. And this is where, for example, in Japan, the country which is prone to natural disasters, Leaf is contributing to the society by being an electricity generator. The next is driver support. And here where we talk about the autonomous driving features. We have got long experience and have got a lot of customer data. By using this, we developed at first safety shield concept, which protects the customer from 360-degree inside the car and outside the car. We launched multiple world first cutting edge technologies leading to safety innovation. And as a consequence, Nissan reduced 76% of the fatality accidents over the last 25 years, and it is a great achievement. We aim zero fatalities in the near future. Concept is the car supports people and protect people. Nissan developed and launched many new technologies. Those are linked and connected, and finally realized our autonomous driving feature, which is ProPilot 2.0, which allows customer to have hands-off. Whenever customer wants, he can take the control. Whenever he wants, he can delegate the control to the car. And this is what ProPilot 2.0 means. It brings comfort and confidence to the customer being autonomous driving technology. As this function is available up to speed limit, it is world's first technology. And the customers have recognized that it reduced 70% of the customer fatigue on a long range driving. It brings customers full confidence. Next will be sharing mobility services. Urbanization and depopulation in rural area are our social issue. Many different situations there, it depends on country, region, and social system. Solution is not only one. For example, new mobility, new services, and new technologies will be the key to solve that problem. Nissan started eShareMobi, and it is one of the solutions for urbanization. We are providing electrified vehicle and new technology experience. And purpose is not only the business. The purpose is to get big data and analyze to grasp the customer behavior. Customer behavior is changing from own the cart to share the car. And this new behavior is led by young age customers who live in urban area. They are very open to use new technology. And this is how we are moving ahead with our sharing mobility. Last one is the connected car surface. As we know, in today's world, and especially post-pandemic, customer wants to connect to the society and society to him. And that's where we have to connect on-board and off-board. Drive will be connected to vehicle and also to society using this technology. And this is where we say accessibility. It will be more big scale in near future by developing future town. And Nissan will provide solution to social issues by using technologies such as large storage battery, smart house, sharing mobility, autonomous drive taxi, EV as movable battery, reuse battery chargers, and so on. And we want to be part of the integrated platform collaborating with the governments. With that note, I would like to once again repeat our corporate purpose as Nissan, which is anything we do, anywhere we do, we drive innovation to enrich people's lives by more attractive technologies, more reachable technologies, more cleaner society, and more freedom of mobility. Thank you for your kind attention.